Today we'll be looking at the first section of Foundation Hyung, naming the techniques. You cannot do a technique correctly if you do not know what the technique is. So we're going to name them and go nice and slow. Foundation Hyung, naming techniques, first section, and begin. Low block, lunge punch, inner forearm block, lunge punch. That is the first section of Foundation Hyung. I'm going to go ahead and show that to you from the side. Foundation Hyung, first section, naming techniques. Low block, lunge punch, inner forearm block, lunge punch. That is the first section of Foundation Hyung, naming techniques.